Are you a parent looking to introduce phonics to your children but unsure of where to start? You have come to the right place. Hey there, fellow parents and caregivers. I am Angel and welcome to Phonics Guide for Parents. This marks the inaugural video in a series dedicated to assisting you to enhance your child's phonics skills. I'll be sharing a range of strategies and techniques designed to empower your young ones. Apart from the tips and tricks, I'll also be sharing with you some games and activity ideas to make learning more fun and engaging. So, if you're seeking content similar to this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything. Growing up, most of us use the whole language approach for reading, which sees language as a whole entirety. So we had to memorize spellings like ANT ant and BAT bat. However, this method could give rise to considerable confusions, especially given the nuances of the English language, where identical words can mean two different things. So, what's the correct way of teaching kids? Research proves phonics is one of the effective ways to teach kids to read. So, what is phonics? It is a method of teaching to read that deals with the relationship between the letters and the sounds. It plays a crucial role in a child's ability to read and write effectively. In the upcoming videos, we will practice letter symbols, letter sounds. Letter sounds is nothing but the sound of the letter. Example, letter A makes the sound A. Blending, stringing of two or more letters to form a word. Example, p and pan. Segmenting, in other words, spelling, like pan has three sounds in it, p and pan. Digraphs, two letters that make the same sound. Example, sh, shh. Spelling rules and other concepts like magic E, soft C, soft G, homonyms, etc. And tricky words or sight words, he, she, me, the, is, etc. So, if you are a busy parent who doesn't have a lot of time, stick around, because by the end of the series, you will have all the necessary tools and knowledge to support your child's phonics journey, even when it feels like mission impossible.